Come here, man.
To start the video, you just press it the same way as taking a picture, right?
Yeah.
I got another video. It's the only way we're going to get a shot of that. It doesn't make any sense.
Man, when it was passing by, I couldn't even mind.
You got the whole thing on that though, right?
No, I got like the midway and then to the end. I didn't get the beginning because my camera's taking forever. I'm just gonna let it run. Huh? I'm just gonna let the whole thing record and just burn it.
I wonder how long it takes you to get from here
I think so.
You know, that's pretty amazing. I bet you drive around.
Oh god. 2 days maybe? Maybe a day or so.
Is that it over there?
Now that might be one just starting out.
Oh, that one might be just stopping to pick up people.
What is that?
It's going pretty slow.
No, it's...
Okay.
新幹線をご利用いただきましてありがとうござい
Oh,
ま
ours
す。
is coming.
まもなく14番線に18時35分発光524号東京行きが到着いたします。安全柵の内側までお下がりください。
Man, that's a big long worm. Wow, that's crazy long.
15号車の順で一番後ろが1号車です。グリーン車は8号車、9号車、10号車、自由席は1号車から5号車です。おタバコが吸える自由席は3号車です。この列車は各駅に停まります。14番線18時35分発光524号東京行きが参ります。順席はとより1号車から5号車です。順席はとより1号車から5号車です。
Oh, that might be our one.
Yay! It's creeping like a turtle before it goes out like a bullet train.
Oh, stop and throw us on that side.
Hello, you're like a little turtle. Hi, turtle. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Woo! Don't throw anything. Don't put your hands out either.
I wasn't going to.
I'm just saying, for anybody, you know, don't put your hands out.
What's over there? Like near the end?
What's that other?
Shinkansen.
What?
No, look at the attention. Shinkansen に乗りますよ。